Okay, first thing you got to determine on these problems is if we're talking about one whatever, single whatever. Let me change that. I think I like the one whatever better. One person, one book, one pet, whatever you're looking at. Or if you're talking about many whatevers, we're looking at 15 cats. We're looking at 10 people. We're looking at 40 books. Okay, at a large publishing company, the mean age of proofreaders is 31.5 years. Standard deviation is 4.1 years. Assume the variables normally distribute. If a proofreader from the company is randomly selected, find the probability that his or her age will be between 28 and 30 years. Sounds like to me we're talking about one person. So that's our one whatever. So we're going to be using these forms right here. So let's write down what's given now. Okay, if at a large publishing company, the mean age of proofreaders is 31.5 years. So mean is 31.5. Standard deviation is 4.1. And I guess we don't got an n because we're talking about one person. And we're looking at probability that is between 28 and 30. Well, this is the last form where we're looking between two values. So A is going to be our smaller number. So A is equal to 28 and B is equal to 30. And then we're going to plug it into this form right here. So that equals norm dist B. B was 30, comma mean. Mean was 31.5, comma standard deviation of 4.1. True, closing parentheses, minus norm dist A. A was 28, comma mean 31.5, comma standard deviation 4.1, and then true, and then closing parentheses. Now, if I was taking this percent, I'd move my decimal point 2 places to the right. I'd have 16.059. If I'm rounding to hundreds, that would give me, what would that give me? 16.06%.